Connecteam helps solve our problems by providing a more reliable time clock and scheduling solution that also integrates with our payroll system. In fact, we are saving around $30,000 a year in payroll-related costs. We specialize in providing comprehensive janitorial services to companies and businesses throughout the Austin metro area.
We have administrative team, accounting, business development, operations, and cleaning teams.
Before Connecteam, we had a lot of different apps for different tasks.
One app for time tracking, one app for inspections, one app for reminders, one app for team communication.
Payroll managers and supervisors would spend the whole day going back and forth with questions and corrections.
I remember a time when one of our supervisors put in a supply request and I never received it. And our client ran out of paper towels in the middle of a big event, which unfortunately ended up leading to a client complaint.
We wanted one central place that we could operate from, and we were able to cut our monthly operational software expenses in half by implementing Connecteam.
I use it to generate reports. I check my tasks for the day and communicate with the team.
Quality control is a top priority, and having the detailed feedback that Connecteam allows my supervisors to provide is priceless. I'm often out in the field meeting with clients and the team, and it's great because I can access it on my smartphone.
One time, there was a big event in one of the spaces we were servicing, and it was a mess. So I sent a couple of photos to my supervisor through the app, and he was able to send help right away.
I love the update features with translations. Updates automatically translates messages we write in English to Spanish, so we don't have to spend time writing multiple messages in different languages.
Making the transition to Connecteam was so easy. The onboarding specialist was involved every step of the way. They were available when we had questions or if we had any special requests.
It allows us to make it our own, like it's a custom-made platform just for us.
I feel like I'm connected in real time. It creates a sense of community within our team, which is something we are very passionate about. Connecteam makes it easier for us to focus on what we do best, which is providing exceptional service to our clients.